I'm Natalia Rose, and today we're going to talk about how long and how often it's advisable to juice fast. The thing is, it's a really highly individualized question. For some people, they choose to fast periodically throughout the year. For example, maybe 3 days every change of season. For others, they may choose to fast 1 day a week. For still others, maybe once a year, a longer fast. Other people like to make regular mini fasts a part of their routine. For example, juicing until lunch every day or juicing for 1 meal a day. So it really just depends on what your goals are and what feels right to you. I like to take it one fast at a time and think about specifically what your goals are, what you hope to accomplish. Know this, the longer the fast, the deeper the healing. And the longer the fast, if you're after the fast for weight loss, the more sustained the weight loss is going to be if you upgrade your diet post-fast. Keep in mind it depends on what your goals are and that there is indeed a cumulative effect while fasting.